Virtual credit card payments are here to stay. Are you ready? Virtual cards are forecasted to be the fastest growing B2B payment method, with transactions growing from $3 trillion in 2024 to an estimated $11 trillion in 2028. Why are virtual cards gaining in popularity? Virtual cards add a layer of security to traditional cards because a unique card number is generated for each transaction, which reduces exposure risks. Unlike the rigid timelines required by ACH processed payments, virtual cards allow buyers to pay suppliers on time, while taking advantage of extra time before they have to pay their credit card company. Virtual cards can also have parameters like transaction limits edited in real time, allowing businesses to be flexible without giving up control over employee spending. And suppliers are now starting to use virtual cards to negotiate terms with their buyers, including preferential status or guaranteed purchase volumes. That's why the trend line shows more and more buyers will be paying with virtual cards. And of course, they'll expect their suppliers to accept them. But what if you're a supplier? You may receive hundreds of unique virtual card payments a month, so you may need to extract virtual card numbers from emails, PDFs, or even portals you have to log into. As if that isn't challenging enough, you may then have to manually enter virtual card numbers into your accounting system, then re-enter them into your enterprise resource planning system for reconciliation. Fortunately, there is a solution. American Express has collaborated with Boost Payment Solutions to provide automated virtual credit card processing. Boost Intercept software can automatically extract virtual card numbers from incoming emails and process payments in its secure data environment. With Boost Intercept, you can automate processing of multiple payments at a time and upload files seamlessly into your ERP system. Overall, automating your accounts receivable has real benefits: improved cash flow, enhanced efficiency, and robust data. And with increased payments transparency, automation offers both buyers and suppliers the clarity they need to help strengthen partnerships and enhance trust. Virtual card payments are here to stay, and American Express is here to help. Are you ready to automate virtual credit card payment processing? Ask your client manager for details.